Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. As you know, we're known for doing our tonneau cover videos. Now, as you know, we've done a lot of hard cover videos. Now, people keep asking me, Chris, are you going to do some soft cover videos too? And I go, well, yes. We got one right now. Let's go do it. Come this way. This is the Extang Trifecta 2.0. Now, the 2.0, basically, they did a few nice features to it. First thing you'll notice, there's a single stitching along here. Now, the other model had double stitching. It just gives it a little cleaner look. I do like the look of this. Now, what I like about Extang products, they do use a UV protected vinyl. Now, I live in Florida. You got to get the UV. Unfortunately, if you don't, you'd be driving down the road, you probably see it all the time, these soft covers that has all these cracks in it. Not UV protected. Those are the ones you're like, why is one more than another? Well, it's because they use a better materials. It makes a big difference. Now, we're going to go over a couple of things about folding soft covers. I'm going to tell you some stuff that people talk about and you don't have to worry about with this one. Now, let's go in here. I'll show you how the operation of this, and I'll show you what I like about this. Now, if you look in here, that's your mechanism here. Now, that is spring-loaded. Why is that better? Well, first of all, it is a lot easier to open and close. Now, if you look here, see they slide into this nice little groove. Now, some of the cheaper models, they have this little, kind of like a little twist thing you put on there. The problem with that cover, trifold covers have the bad rep of flying off down the road, and some do, because what happens is all 4 of these corners got to be connected. Now, this is, since it's spring-loaded, it's got pressure on it, and it holds it very tight. The other ones, you have to kind of turn and you kind of lock it in place, and if it leaves it a little loose, well, the wind will get underneath it, and it acts like a big sail, and the whole thing could come off on the highway. You will not have the problem with this cover. Now, another nice thing about this, if you look here, there's actually extra supports here. See the ones in the corner there? That helps with the frame. It keeps it from bending and tweaking, stuff like that. Also, if you look around here, look at it has the double seals here. Now, the better seals here, simple fact is it keeps the water out better. That's all it does, and that's what you want. Now, nothing is waterproof, and you go into the website, it says it's a water-resistant cover. But this one does a really good job. With the seals section, how it's all here, it really does a nice job of keeping the water out. So come around here, and let's go ahead and show you how it operates here. It folds all the way up. Now, you can drive with it open, but you do have to secure it. Basically, you see this, you're gonna lock right in there. Always do both sides. Now, for the video, obviously, I'm not doing both sides, but you want to secure both sides. You don't want the wind to get hold in this and flopping around while you're driving down the road. So, and again, it's a really easy to use. Now, I want you to see if I can get the camera in here. And if you notice under here, there's 2 things holding each side. Now, one is your regular support system, right? And the other one is a backup support system. Let's say for some reason the main one was to come loose, and all of a sudden the wind's trying to pull this off, like I just talked to you a few minutes ago about flying off. The other one here is a backup. It keeps that from coming off. This way you don't have to worry about flying off down the highway. The cheaper models do not have that. So remember I showed you the spring here and doesn't have this? Those make a huge difference of never losing your cover. Very, very important. Now, another nice thing, now I talked to you about using the better quality products, the better quality vinyl. Now, since this is a top-of-the-line vinyl, they don't give you a 1-year warranty. They actually give you a lifetime warranty. That's right. They lifetime warranty like the frame and stuff. And by the way, the aluminum they use is a high-quality aluminum. It's like an aircraft grade. So it's going to be a very strong frame on this. If you look here, you can see how nice it is. The good frame works really good if you live up north. So if you have snow sitting on here, it's not going to sag in there. The frame's going to help out a whole lot. And of course, in Florida, we have rain. So up north has the snow, we have the rain. So again, it's a great looking cover, but it's unlike other covers. This one works better. It's going to last longer. And that's the most important thing, because if you go and buy one of those $200 covers, you get a couple years out of it, and then you're buying another cover. You're not saving money. You're spending more money. You spend a little bit more, get yourself a good quality cover. It's going to last you a longer time. And again, it looks great. I mean, this guest, you know, he wanted to cover up the bed, and the association he lives wants him to cover it up too. I like the look. I do like the single stitching. I like that it does have a little bit of a pattern in here, just gives it a little bit more pizzazz. And I like that it has a long warranty. Now, if we do the installation for you, we're going to give you the 1-year labor guarantee from C&H Auto Accessories. It includes adjustments like that. If you ever had a defect and they said, okay, we'll send you a new cover, we'll put it in free of charge. Now, if you say, you know what, I love that cover. I think, Chris, I want to buy that cover. Well, you can go to our website. We sell this right from our website, or you can call Dave, John, or myself at the store. We'll be glad to help you out with that, or just come into our store and visit us. We have a beautiful showroom like this customer. They drove in here and he bought it yesterday, has it on his truck today. So we get it pretty quick. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Make sure you hit that like button and always subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with our latest product. Thank you.